See how long till he notices. What's going on, guys? It's Matt.
Stop running. One life, one chance, start living. Sing it louder just to let the world know. No, we're not nameless, we're not faceless, we were born for greatness.
Damn, you fucking...
Yeah, my Roush splitter. Fucking... Dude, it's... Poor thing. This was a long time coming, man. Okay? Don't judge me. It was a long time coming. It's seen better days, just saying. Yeah. So the last thing I did cosmetically was this badge back here, but I don't really count that. Ivan doesn't really count it. So the last thing we did was like... How long ago did we do the wheels and tires? I think it was like 6 or 7 months ago. I made a video on it. Did pretty good, but... Last thing I did cosmetically, which was a pretty big mod, was the wheels and tires and lowering the car. What we have here is a Roush front chin splitter, and pretty sure a lot of you viewers are new to my channel, so the story behind this splitter, I got this splitter for 30 bucks off a buddy, and I mean, come on, 30 bucks for a Roush splitter? You know how much these things go for? Huh? Do you? Yeah, 200 bucks for this fucking piece of plastic. But I spent 300 bucks on even more expensive piece of plastic on a Street Scene Gen 1. So it's gonna have the splitter rods and everything now, so because I'm just trying to gain horsepower, man. But look at this Roush splitter. It's already falling apart. Haven't even started taking it off yet. It was time for a new splitter. So the Roush splitter's off the car. Skipping forward a little bit. Honestly, dude, I think I might just roll around like this. No splitter at all. What do you think? No scraping anymore? I know, no more scraping. This thing is rough shape, man. Now we're really fast forwarding a little bit. As you can see, we lost daylight. We had a little pizza break because Ivan was a good dad and he treated us to some pizza. Well, this is what we got right now. This is the stock splitter, the one that originally comes on 13, 14 Mustangs. You have to use the stock splitter. I guess that's like a template for the new Street Scene splitter. It goes behind it. So this is where we come to now. Where do we go right now, man? This thing was a lot. Well, I mean, come on. It wouldn't be a car part install if we didn't have a problem. Especially on my car. We always have problems on my car. Always on my car, dude. What happened is that the screws that they gave us for this splitter were, it's like, what is this, like a 3/4 of an inch? Yeah. So we went to Home Depot and bought some 2-inch screws, and we screwed them literally from the bottom of the splitter all the way up to the bumper. So there's 2 inches worth of screws. 6 of them all across the board, just holding up the splitter. And now we're about to put the rods on, so let's do it. And we're done. It says 1 hour installation on American Muscle, but it took us like 3 or 4 hours. But go ahead and cue the music now. So this is what the finished product is looking like. Hopefully you can hear me. I know it's windy. Yeah, this is where we come to. And man, it looks so fucking good. Look at Ivan in the background. Hey, Dad. It looks fucking amazing, guys. I love the way it looks now. I think it finishes up the front end. What do you think? Hope you can hear me because it's kind of windy, but hope you guys enjoyed that little edit that I put together. Thanks to Ivan. Follow him on Instagram. Put it right here. It's 550 Slowbird. But I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. Just us on a splitter on my V6 Mustang, so nothing really cool. If you're new, drop a subscribe. Drop a subscribe. Oh my god. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. Drop a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys next time.